Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Matplotlib. What is a Matplotlib? Matplotlib is one of the library in data science. By using of this Matplotlib, we can creating the plots. That plot should be any kind of plots like as a line plot, scatter plot, histogram, pie chart, like that one. Why this Matplotlib is required means when the end user understanding easily, okay, at the time it will be helpful. Okay, coming to the what are the concepts having into the Matplotlib, I will tell you here. See, some basics concepts are there into the Matplotlib. Some based on the basic concept name, we need to draw the plots. First one is a figure. A figure, what is a figure means? A figure is an indication of data. The data should be drawn within the figure only. Here, when we are creating any figure, in that figure should be, we are given to some size. X axis wise and y axis wise, we need to assign the some size. Based on that size, the figure should be displayed or else created. Next, I will show you each and every concept in practical process wise. Next one, axis. Axis means drawing any kind of data. The data should be within the area only. Within the figure, we need to assign the data axis. The data axis should be within the limits only. Next, title. Title means to specify the particular graph indication. That means, for example, when we are going to the student data, or else any hospital data, or else any college data, or else any relevant data, we need to give the some title. Based on that title, the user can understand it easily. Next, legends. It describes the entire elements about the graph. Whatever the graph we have, in this graph, we are given to the entire elements. Whatever the elements we have, for example, x-axis and y-axis wise, we need to assign some data. We need to give the some titles. We need to give the some colors. We need to give the some markers. Entire information will show this by using of legends. Next, Matplotlib having some pie plots. It is a simple model. It is a simple model. By using of a pie plots, we need to show the data. Next one, create a simple plots. What are the simple plots we have? Line plots, scatter plots, and bar plots, and etc. We have some multiple plots are there. When we are creating any multiple plots, we need to give the data. For example, line plot. Line plot is it is a continuous data. The data should be drawn continuous wise. Then it will be displayed on a line wise. What are the data having? The data should be displayed in line wise only. Next, scatter plot. Scatter plot means we have some relation between the one data to another data. At the time, the data should be displayed in a relation wise. Next, bar plot. Bar plot which will be indicating to the plots bar wise. Whatever the plots we required, the bar plot indicating to the bar wise. For example, how much percentage we have into the today gold rate. Next, how much percentage or else how much what is the value of gold rate into the today, then what is the value of tomorrow. Like that one, the bar plot will be displayed. by using of some attributes names. Next, plots customization. Plots customization means user can creating the own plots by using of some attributes names. Based on the attributes names, we need to create the customization plots using this kind of attributes. See, title, access labels, and limits. What is the limits means? We need to assign the limits for the particular access wise as well as figure wise. I will show you each and every one into the practical wise. The customization colors and markers and line styles. These colors and markers, line styles, based on the requirement, we need to give the colors, we need to give the marker. Marker means we need to show the data in which position we have. The data should be up and down, going on up and down, right? We need to show the data, which position the data is available. At the time, we are given to some marker for the particular point. Line style means we need to draw the styling formation. Next one, adding grids and annotations. We need to show the data in a grid wise as well as annotation wise. See, a 3D annotation. That means we need to design the multiple ways for a user attraction purpose. We need to go for grids as well as annotation. Next, handling the fonts and styles. We need to give the some fonts, color, styles. Need to give the different kinds of fonts and styles. Next one, different kinds of plots are there. What are the plots we have? These are the plots: line plots, scatter plots, bar plot, histogram, pie chart, box plot, and heat map and stacker plot. Here, a line plot indicating to display the data in a line wise. See, whatever the data we have, the data should be continuous. But in the programmatic and the design process, it will be displayed in a line only. Scatter plot which will be indicating to them axis wise, y axis and x axis. In the x axis and y axis, it will be a relation between the x axis data as well as y axis data. The data should be displayed on a relation wise in a scatter plot. Bar plot means the data should be displayed in vertical and horizontally. The bar plot, I already told you, it will be gold rate. How the gold rate will be increasing and decreasing. Histogram is it will be distribution of the data. Data should be distributed in different ways. See, dividing the data. Okay, at the time we are using the histogram. Pie chart, proportion of a particular data. That means when we are going to the checking into the population, how much people are there into the male peoples and how many people are there female peoples. By using of pie chart, we can draw male, how many people are there, female, how many people are there, in diagrammatically we will show. Next, box plot. Box plot means it is a statistical wise, based on the statistical wise, we need to draw the box plots. Here, outliers also is there. Based on the outliers, we need to remove the outliers. Within the data, we need to show the box plots. Okay, min max wise, we need to dividing the data min max as well as median, mode, like here standard deviation. Based on this all the statistical operation wise, we need to draw the box plots. Next, heat maps. For the matrix data, we need to draw the heat maps. Stacked plots means here we are going to discussing stacked bar, like how the bar plots will be performing here. Stacked plots are also performing like that one. Next, subplots. What is a subplot and layouts? Subplot is another plot for the existing plot. When we are creating the new plot from the existing plot, that is called as subplot. Here, multiple plots we need to creating the data using an pld.subplot. Okay, when we are adjusting the any kind of data using an width and height, based on the width and height, we can adjusting the subplots. Next, and as well as we need to draw the subplots as per customization wise. Customization means as per user requirement. Next, advanced customizations also is there. Here, advanced customization means we need to draw the multiple plots in a single plotting wise. In a single figure, we need to draw the multiple plots. Here, it is advanced customization. Next, add customization legends and adding the multiple legends. See, legends is already I told you entire information, whatever the having attributes having, this entire information will be shows to the legends wise. Okay, handling date and times. Handling date and times, by using of date and times, we can handle this entire access data, entire plotting functions. Adding annotations and shapes. We need to assign the shape for the particular figure and annotations also. Annotation means we need to assign the design part for the particular figure. Okay, next one, interactive plots. Interactive plots means we need to give the additional information for the existing plots. That means we need to assign the sliders or some more buttons into the already existing plots. Next, when we are going to the working with the data frames, this data frames which is indicating to the interacting with the pandas only. Pandas having two data types, one is a series and second one is a data frame. Data frame is a collection of data that should be rows and columns. By using of this data frames, we can integrating into them our Matplotlib library. I will show you this Matplotlib library in a data frame wise. Next, 3D plotting. 3D plotting means we need to display the data in 3D plotting wise. That is we have some different kinds of plottings are there. 3D scatter plot, surface plots and wireframes. I will show you how to create the 3D plots using toolkits. Some toolkits are there. MLP toolkits. MLP means Matplotlib toolkits. Based on this toolkits, we need to create this plottings. Next one, integration with the Seaborn. Seaborn also one of the plotting library, but it is an advanced version of library comparing to the Matplotlib. Here, Seaborn will be, we can use the statistical plots also. By using the Seaborn, we can develop the integration to the statistical plots also. As well as customization plots also we can create. Okay. Next one, how to save the, for example, when we are creating the any plot, we need to save that plot. How to save that plot is using a saving fig method. By using a saving fig method, we need to save the data. Which formation? PNG formation or else a PDF formation or else SVG formation, PNGP formation. We can save the data any kind of a formation. What are the formation we required? Based on that formation, we need to save that data. Or else we need to save that particular figure. We need to adjusting the resolution also. For example, I required 3x3 formation. I required 4x4 formation. We can save that data in different kinds of formation wise also. Next, I will give you some real world applications in a visualization process to create our dashboards by using of Pandas data. Then we need to create the MATPLOTLIB using this real world application wise. See, we are taking to some plots. Based on the plots, we can create the entire real world application in upcoming class.